Hello and welcome back to Ginger Muse Embroideries. Today I'm going to show you back stitch. This is a very useful stitch and used in many different ways. Create this sort of stitch and it starts by going backward. That's why it's called the back stitch. So after threading your needle, I've used again 3 strands of yarn. You start a step forward and then you go back, and that's why it's called back stitch. Then you go to the next one, pull it tight and back to where you started. So we always go back to where we start. Aim to go straight if that's what you want to do, depending on the design you're working on, and always go back to where you started. We keep going. These you need a lot more thread. Obviously it's not like the running stitch, you keep going backwards. If you want a thicker line, then you just use a full strand of 6 instead of 3. I've taken half of it here and just using 3 strands. When you have a longer needle, it helps to go straight. Again. Then to finish off, go back, make a knot to section your stitch. Thank you.